I will show you 2 methods to create YouTube playlist and also how to add videos into YouTube playlist. Please subscribe. Let's start. First you need to open your login account. Then go to YouTube Studio. From the left-hand side go to Content. I will create playlist from this video. Click on this video. Then go to Details. Scroll down until you find the Playlists section. So here it says add your video 1 or more playlists. Organize your content for viewers. Click on the drop-down option. I want to create a new playlist. Click on New Playlist. 2 option comes from this drop-down menu. Select this one. First you need to give the title. And then you can give your description here. Then under Visibility and Sort Order. This drop-down menu there is a 3 option. Currently I want to choose Public here. And Default Video Order Default Published to Newest. Under 6 options I will choose the first option Date Published Newest. And then click on Create. So playlist created here. Click on Done. From left-hand side top click on Save. So you see your changes saved. From right side top click on Channel Content. So this will bring you channel content page. Click on Playlist tab. So you will see the SQL Server tutorial playlist created here. This is the one way to create a new playlist. You can create a playlist in another way. The second method to create an empty playlist. First you need to log in your account. Go to YouTube Studio. From the right side top, click the camera icon with a plus I. So you will find the option the new playlist add title. Visibility and sort order choose public. Choose default video order date published newest. Click on create. So playlist created here. I will show you how to add videos on empty playlist. Click on top right channel dashboard and go to content page. Go to playlist and you will see the YouTube content. Right now there is no video content. So this is empty playlist and click on 3 dots. Choose Edit on YouTube. Click on Add Videos tab. Find your Videos tab to select on it. After selecting the video, right marks will be appeared on top of video right hand side. Scroll down and choose More Videos on it. Click on Add Videos button. So you see 3 videos come. From this Play All button you can play this playlist. You can find your created playlist to go on right side, click on Playlist tab. So currently this one, I created. So this is one method you can add videos. To add videos on existing playlist, go to Home, go to Egypt Studio. Then go to Content, go to Playlist. So I will add more videos on existing playlist. You can options from Edit on YouTube. Or you can click it. So this a video content title, everything comes here. The videos playlist videos is just only one here. And click on Edit on YouTube. Click on this plus icon to add videos in your playlist. I will add this one, this one. This one, this one. This one. This one, this one. 7 YouTube videos selected here. Thanks for watching.